how to play the built-in background sounds of ocean, rain, stream, night, and fire on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button at the top. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Add a control. In the control list, you want to scroll down, then scroll down to Hearing, Accessibility, and then tap on Background Sound. Now that will get added to your control center. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it larger so you can see it. So I'm going to drag it outwards on one of the handle here to make the widget larger. And here you can see say background sounds off at the moment. Now swipe up to return back to your home screen. And after that, whenever you want to play a background sound, just pull down the control center, then tap on it to play the background sound, or you can tap on it to turn it off. Now, if I tap on this icon right here, I can choose a background sound. I can choose a different sound. Tapping on this icon at the top here will allow you to listen to the selected sound. Now, another way you can do it is you can touch and hold on the widget itself. And from here, you can change. So from here, you can choose ocean, rain, stream, night, or fire. You can also change the sound by dragging on. You can change the volume by dragging on the volume bar at the top here to make it softer or louder. And that's it. So because I have tapped on one of the items here, it is now downloading the sound file to play on my device. So that is the sound of night. And after you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you want to switch it off, just tap on the widget to toggle it on or off. And that's it. So here, let's see some other options. So if I touch and hold on the widget, if you tap on background sound settings, in here, you can make changes to your background sounds, such as changing the volume, changing the sound, the dark to dark noise, rain, stream, night, or fire. You can also use when media is playing, so you can use it together with other media sound. So here we can play sample. So you can see that while the media sound is playing, you can also hear the background sound. And here says stop sounds when locked. So you can activate that feature. So when enabled, background sounds will stop when your iPhone is locked. Or you can switch it off so that your background sound still play while your phone is locked. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.